Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a really intense and heartbreaking courtroom case. Before we get into it, I want to give a warning. This case involves severe animal abuse, so it's not easy to watch. The defendant is accused of doing something truly horrible, and the courtroom reaction is just as heavy. If you're ready, let's unpack this difficult but important case together.
What's your name, ma'am?
Shania Pierce, middle name Desiree.
Thank you, ma'am. This magistrate at check there. You're hearing from no matter 240-592-8501, ma'am. Do you have an attorney? Go ahead, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. Brandon Bird on behalf of Shania Pierce. My client waived her right to formal reading, was advised the constitutional right and will stand mute.
Not guilty. Court dates are September 17, 2024, probable cause conference, followed by preliminary examination, September 24, 2024. Both matters are in front of Judge Taylor. Ma'am, while this case is pending, you're not possessing any animals of any kind. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, Counsel Douglas, I see that she has local ties. Go ahead, Esteban, please.
Your Honor, Ms. Pierce, the people are asking for a bond of $25,000 cash or surety with tether and a curfew that allows for work. At this time, we have some concerns for safety of the public, given what's alleged here. While it's assaultive against an animal, we have concerns that if something like this could happen to a animal, it could happen to a person. Ms. Pierce currently has a assault and battery case pending. That's case number 240-458-2301, date of offense, August 13th to 24. It looks like she's not arraigned on that yet, though, Your Honor. She's hasn't been arraigned on that. But then her lien is showing that she was sentenced to 1 year height of probation on September 19th to 23. So I'm not sure if she's still currently on that height of probation, but perhaps Mr. Bird knows that probation is for malicious destruction of police or fire property, resisting obstructing police, and malicious destruction of a building, $200 or more, but less than $1,000. And then we have this allegation that she was swinging a dog in the air by a leash and then slammed it to the ground and then proceeded to punch and stomp it to death, Your Honor. This appears to have been something that happened in public in a field near an intersection where multiple people witnessed it. The police report indicates two different individuals, one who notified police and another one who led police to the dog. Police found the dog and said that while it was not breathing, it was still warm as if it had not been dead for long. So, Your Honor, we do have concerns about what would lead to such a thing, that there doesn't seem to have been any sort of attempt, not that we like people to cover things up, but to just do this so openly. We have concerns about future behavior and the impact it can have on other people. We're asking for a bond of $25,000 cash or surety with tether and a curfew so that she can work.
Thank you. Counsel Bird, go ahead, please.
25-year-old lifelong resident of Michigan, Your Honor, indicates to us that she's living with a friend at this moment, has 4 children, unemployed. Any amount of bond is going to be unaffordable for my client, Your Honor. She's in school right now trying to get her GED. I understand the assaultive nature of these allegations. But respectfully ask this court potentially for a personal bond. If the court's not inclined for a personal bond, then a reasonable and low 10% bond seems fit by the court.
Thank you. Court has heard the reputations, had the opportunity to read the allegations in the investigator's report in this particular matter. Then it is whether she's a flight risk or whether she's a danger. The court does find, using clear and convincing evidence standard, that she is a danger. Doing something out in public, cruelty to an animal that ended up dying. At least the police said that the body was warm. However, it hadn't been dead that long. Okay. The court is going to adopt a recommendation of $10,000 cash surety with a GPS tether, school only. Affordable, she's going to get another court date for this Tuesday, September 10, 2024, 9 o'clock in front of Judge McConaughey or Judge Williams, who's going to look at the bond amount and bond conditions.
And what was the bond again, Your Honor?
$1,000 cash surety. Anything else, Councilor Burrs?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
That concludes the arraignment of Ms. Pierce.
Wow, that was so tough to watch. Cases like this really hit hard, and the judge did not hold back in highlighting the seriousness of the crime. Let's hope the legal system takes this case seriously and justice is served. Thanks for watching, and if you found this content valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.